Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about the overall crypto market, take a look at some price levels on CRO and kind of where I think we're headed here right now in the short term and the long term. Guys, we are at 8,140 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one of you. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So right now, we're consolidating. We have bullish consolidation. We're above $28,000 on Bitcoin. My key levels are $26,600 to $26,300. That's a very important level I'm looking at. As long as we're getting these daily closes, and let alone even these weekly candle closes above the 26,300, really this is bullish continuation. And when we see Bitcoin down just barely, and not anything more than, let's say, 2%, 1.5% down on the day, and we see all the altcoins green, that's healthy. That's really healthy. That's just the typical cycle within the cycle within a cycle, really. I mean, when we're talking about, the money flows into Bitcoin, Bitcoin moves up to the upside, then it trades sideways, then it trickles down to the blue chips, then the smaller cap altcoins, and just trickles down. We're healthy right now. It is looking like Bitcoin's trying to come up a little bit right now, but all in all, I really do think here that we're getting bullish consolidation and bullish continuation. Let's take a look at Bitcoin a little bit closer here, because it's very important that we see these levels that we're getting these candle closes above. We still have 2 days and 9 hours on the weekly candle chart, but it's looking awfully good on the daily. I mean, really, we're just constantly getting these green candle closes, guys. This is very important to be paying attention to, especially above the 25,300, the 26,300. And honestly, if we keep getting these green candle closes, there's no reason in my mind that we don't head towards 30,000, maybe even 32,000. I think those are very important price levels. However, if we do break below 26,300 and we get some daily candle closes below that, then I'm going to turn a little bit bearish, definitely. But as we zoom out here, guys, I've been saying every day that goes by, we get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, guys. Bitcoin halving is probably about 11 months away, maybe 12 months, and we are where we are supposed to be. We are where we are supposed to be, which is crazy to think about, because the reason why we had these big moves to the upside was because of this banking crisis. The Federal Reserve cutting rates, raising rates, printing money, not printing money, whatever it is they're doing right now, it's causing a banking crisis. And right now, what they really are doing is they're raising rates and printing money at the same time. And they would like you to think that they're not bailing banks out, but that is definitely what they're doing. They're just they just changed basically the definition of what it means to bail a bank out, because they can do that now. But it is interesting to see that we are where we are supposed to be right now, and it's just coincidentally when the Federal Reserve is starting to print money again. I've been talking about on our streams with Crypto Kip and I. We've been talking on Tuesday and Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We have a live stream, and yesterday I was talking about how it's really looking like the stars are kind of all aligning here. We've got the Bitcoin halving, which is basically like a catalyst to ignite the next bull market, to be like, okay, the bull market is ready to come, based on a 4-year cycle. But around that time, I really do believe, leading up into this, so the next 11 months, I think we're gonna get a lot more clarification, if not clarification, more brutishness towards crypto regulation. And on top of that, I think the Federal Reserve is probably going to continue to print money. And on top of that, if the narrative keeps going that Bitcoin is the only safe haven asset, the only place to put your money that's safe right now, I think really the stars are going to align here, guys, and it's going to create a great opportunity for a large crypto bull run, a very large crypto bull run. I mean, there's so much going on in the financial world, and it's all leaning towards Bitcoin being the answer. So please keep a close eye on what's going on in the macroeconomics. I mean, every day I'll be making a video for you guys and giving you my take on it. But look in other places too. Do your own research, guys, because to be quite frank with you, I am starting to turn very, very bullish on Bitcoin. I mean, I'm always bullish long term, but as of right now, I am accumulating Bitcoin. I'm accumulating Bitcoin heavily. Um, I still have my altcoin positions. Don't get me wrong. I still love CRO. I still am trading on Solana. I play around with different ecosystems. However, I do think that right now, especially where Bitcoin dominance is sitting at, Bitcoin dominance at 46.3%, would like to see this reach about the 50% mark. I do think that probably the best place for your money would be in Bitcoin. Not financial advice, but that's just what I'm doing. I'm not selling my alts. I'm not selling my CRO, but I am accumulating more Bitcoin right now because, quite frankly, there's no better place to hold money because you've got. I forgot to mention a huge catalyst as well is the value of the U.S. dollar is coming down, guys. A lot of people in the world are trying to get off the U.S. dollar currency, which could have a severe impact on the value of your U.S. dollar. Keep that in mind, guys. But do your own research. Look around. I keep making these videos every day. I'm going to give you my opinions and based on what's going on in the world when it comes to crypto and the financial world. But please let me know in the comment section below if you think I'm crazy or if you agree with me because I like to have a community back and forth. I really like to talk with you guys and really pick your brains and to kind of get a better idea for if my strategy is correct and kind of get a better general consensus of the hive mind consciousness when it comes to the financial world. But let's take a look at the S&P 500 because we are getting this nice green candle off the resistance, which once was resistance, now is support, which is very good to see here. We're getting a nice move to the upside here. I would like to see a continuation, some daily candle closes. Let's break above here. If we can break above the $4,200 price on the S&P 500, my next target would be the 43.55. And if we could break above that, well, I think that it's game on. I already do think it's kind of game on right now that the party's back in town because we're printing more money. But we'll see how long that's lasted. Like I said, we're still raising rates, printing money at the same time. I don't think anybody really knows what's going to happen when you are doing two of the opposite things at the same time. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. However, the market is saying that it's bullish. The market is saying that printing money, no matter what the rates are, is bullish, and that's what we see here. So, but I am saying if we do break above the $4,340 level, I do think that the next target here is probably breaking all-time highs on the S&P 500. That could take another 10 months. It could. There could be a lot of time on that. But just from my observations, you don't fight the Fed. The past 2 years says it all. You don't fight the Fed. When they're raising rates and quantitative tightening, the markets go down. Don't fight them. That's just as simple as that. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now, and let's take a look at CROcoin really quick here. So on CROcoin, like I said, we're doing the same thing. We're doing the same thing here. I personally think that right now you're better off buying Bitcoin over CRO until Bitcoin makes a move to the upside and we get some liquidity pulled out of the altcoins. However, I will say I will give the other end of the thesis here is that right now there is more tension in the crypto market than there has been in any other bear market of the crypto market. Now, for granted, there has only been 3 or 4 of them where there's actually been a substantial amount of people paying attention. But this time, there's much more attention in this crypto market than there has been in previous ones. So that being said, there might not be a time when Bitcoin sucks out all the liquidity from these altcoins. There might not be a time because there are these massive teams, especially on crypto.com, massive teams of people working on this company. However, to be better safe than sorry, I'm personally buying Bitcoin right now, and I will be layering into CROcoin or my other altcoins as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving. I probably won't be layering into CROcoin. I mean, I do it every day because of my staking that I have on the DeFi, but my CRO bags are packed, guys. Don't get me wrong. I'm not some guy that has no CRO at all. I've got a big CRO bag, but my bags are packed. I'm continuing to stake, continuing to restake the the interest that I get and just building that bag even more. But I do think that right now I would not be putting extra money into altcoins unless I had true conviction for it. Everyone's strategy is different, but I'm just walking you guys through my thought process and where I think the market could be headed here in the short term, and the medium term, and the long term. But guys, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. If you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click join, and you can click join right here. You get access to these custom emojis and these custom loyalty badges that you can use during our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as in our comment section below in our videos. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord where there's NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways. I give trade signals, and you get access to 10 additional entries each month at winning this loaded line NFT. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.